I'm in Redmond at Emily Dickinson Elementary. I just did my Science Magic show, and a teacher, the PTSA president, and the principal all shared some really wonderful comments that I wanted to share with you.
That was an amazing assembly. My little kindergartners are going to go home and try these experiments on their family. So much fun. Thank you.
We just finished the coolest assembly. Kindergarten through 5th grade, totally engaged, totally excited. It was a combination of learning and of fun and science, and Jeff was great. He was flexible, he went with it, he knew how to engage kids and make it a positive experience even when they answered his questions incorrectly. This is our PTSA member who brought Jeff on board, and she was thrilled as well.
It was a really good balance of education and doing something, and it was really well placed throughout the program as far as what experiments were happening, what magic was happening, and talking about different science and different aspects. So everybody enjoyed it. We thought the kids weren't going to stay still for that long, but they were totally engaged every single minute. It was pretty incredible.
Their stamina is usually not that great, and they could have gone for another hour. It
Easily.
was just incredible.
You can learn more about my school assemblies, workshops, and free resources at sciencemagicvideos.com.